So in many ways, this new name really reflects who we are as a program. We're very much a program that's focused on kind of a hands-on understanding of how technology and agricultural systems work. And I think this new name really captures the breadth of technology that we see today. So we're not just mechanized systems, but it's everything from power and machinery systems to sensors to electronics to hydraulics to the digital ag systems that are coming online. So the new name really captures that breadth and diversity of technology that we see in agriculture today.
This is a key academic program, particularly when we think about the adoption of ag technologies and needing to prepare the next generation of professionals, leaders, problem solvers to be able to really think from a systems perspective, thinking about what it looks like from the agricultural production, whether that be cropping systems, animal systems, pairing that with the business aspect of things, and then on the technology.
So with the increasing pressure on agriculture, it's more important to incorporate technology into the solutions that we provide. Therefore, it's really important for our students to have a good understanding both of the fundamentals and the sciences and the equipment, but also the technology that is becoming increasingly important. Also, how to manage that technology really requires a systems approach to identify the different components in the system, how they relate to each other, and how to manage that system effectively.
Again, we are at a very interesting time where we are talking about how do we bring robots and artificial intelligence and smart systems into agriculture. So we have had precision ag technology, for decades, but now we are looking at really highly automated and autonomous systems. So it's a very exciting time, and I think the students in this curriculum will have a major role to play, in the farm of the future.
I believe the program, exposed me to the newer technology a lot, and some of the stuff that you would just see that is on the research side, and then you'd ask a question about that, or your professors would tie that back in when they were talking about it in the classroom, and then it would spark that passion for you then to want to learn more about it, so then you'd research, and I would say outside of the classroom is where the spark was made, but then inside the classroom is where the reinforcement was made.
So we are preparing them to assimilate technology, understand technology, develop it, test it, deploy it, and actually turn it into something useful as opposed to it simply being a novelty. Since we can't predict the technology that's coming, we have to reinforce the fundamentals that will allow our students to adapt and be adaptable with those technologies.